Welcome to today's video. We're going to talk today's severe weather and tomorrow's severe weather and a couple of this week's severe weather outlook. So let's get started. Welcome to today's video. We're going to be talking about today's severe weather risk in a couple days this week too. So let's get started. We got a marginal risk in Missouri, Illinois, the typical thunderstorms in Indiana, Illinois, Ohio, Kentucky, Missouri, California, Nevada, Utah, Colorado, Arizona. You can see in New Mexico, and we can see in parts of Montana. We can see also Wyoming and Nebraska too, also for today. Alright guys, so let's move on to our hail risk. We got a 5% hail risk for today. We can see for Missouri, Illinois, we can see also on here too, guys. Alright, so let's move on to our tornado risk. We've got less than 2% in all areas we can see for today. Okay, then we got a 5% wind risk we can see for Missouri, Illinois, we can see also on here. And so let's move on to tomorrow's severe weather risk. Alright, this is tomorrow's severe weather risk. We can see we got a marginal risk in Kansas, Missouri, Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, Michigan, Wisconsin too. Marginal risk we can see. And we got typical thunderstorm risk in California, Nevada, Utah, Arizona, Pennsylvania, New York, West Virginia, North Carolina, Tennessee, Arkansas, even Oklahoma too, in Florida. You can see also. Alright, so less than 2% tornado risk in all areas. Then we got a hail risk we can see also on here. We got a 5% hail risk for Kansas, Missouri, Iowa, Illinois, Indiana, Ohio. You can see also on here. Then we got a wind risk for tomorrow we can see. We got a 5% wind risk for Iowa, Missouri, Kansas, Illinois, Indiana, Ohio. You can see also Michigan. You can see also. Then we got a day 3 outlook for Tuesday, May 5th. We can see on here a slight risk for Arkansas, Oklahoma, Texas, and we get a marginal risk for Texas, Arkansas, Missouri, Kentucky, Tennessee too, and a typical thunderstorm risk in Nevada, Utah, Colorado, Arizona, New Mexico, Kansas, Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, New York, and Maine. We can see in some of the New England states and Florida. Alright, then we got our day 3 severity outlook. We can see we get a 15% significant severity risk in Texas. We can see in Oklahoma. You can see on here also, guys. So yeah, then we got a 15% risk for severe weather in Arkansas, Texas, and Oklahoma. We can see a 5% in Missouri, Tennessee, Kentucky, in Tennessee, Texas, Louisiana. We can see also on here. Alright, we got Wednesday severe weather risk we can see. We got 15% probability in Texas, Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, and Louisiana also for Wednesday, May 6th. We can see on here. Alright, we're going to be playing our radar projections now. So this is Sunday at 8 p.m. We can see maybe we have some pop-up storms in Illinois. We can see maybe, or Indiana, and maybe some rain in Ohio also. Then we maybe got some rain in South Dakota. Let's see, Nebraska, California. Snow in California. You can see also on here. Maybe some rain in southern Florida. You can see also rain in Maine also. We can see Sunday 11 p.m. We can see maybe we have some storms in Illinois. We can see Indiana too, maybe even Ohio. You can see on here also, guys, and maybe some rain in Nebraska, South Dakota, North Dakota, Minnesota. You can see also. Maybe some rain in Nevada, some snow in California, Utah, Arizona. We can see also maybe some rain in New Mexico, rain in Florida, southern Florida. We get some rain in Maine also, some rain in North Dakota, in Minnesota also on here. Alright, Monday, May 4th at 2 a.m. You can see we got some rain in North Dakota, Minnesota, some rain in Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, maybe this pop-up storm in Illinois potentially, but we see what happens there. But rain in Michigan, rain in Colorado, we can see Nevada, Utah, California, and rain in southern Florida. We can see Monday morning at 2 a.m. and rain in New York. Alright, Monday 8 a.m. we can see we got rain in Minnesota. We can see some maybe rain in Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, some snow in the Colorado mountains. We can see some rain in Florida. We can see also on here, guys. So yeah, and we can see we also got some Rain in New York, we can see also. Some rain and snow in California, we can see maybe in the California mountains a little. Also some rain in Montana maybe. Monday 11 a.m., Monday 2 p.m. we can see we got storms, rain in Illinois, Indiana. Maybe a couple of them could be pop-up storms. Maybe get some rain in Montana. We can see also on here. Got some rain in Minnesota, Wisconsin, Michigan Peninsula. We got some rain in Florida. See rain in Maine. Snow in Colorado mountains. Snow in the Utah mountains. Snow in California. We can see rain in Nevada too. Also on here. Monday 5 p.m. we can see our storms really in Illinois, Indiana, even Ohio starting to fire up. We can see on here on the projections. Then we got rain in Wisconsin. We can see rain in Minnesota also. Rain in Montana. Snow in Wyoming and in the Colorado mountains. Snow in the Utah mountains, Nevada, and California mountains. We can see also on here, guys. And maybe rain up in New York, in Maine, and southern Florida. We can have some rain. Alright, we got Monday, May 4th at 8 p.m. You can see we got storms in Ohio. Some storms in Ohio, Indiana, and even Illinois we can see. We got some rain up in Wisconsin. We can see rain in Kansas. Rain in Nebraska. Snow in Colorado mountains. We can see snow in the Utah mountains, Nevada mountains, and California mountains. We can see on here and rain in Florida. So we can see also rain, maybe rain in West Virginia too. Rain in New York and rain in Maine. We can see it. And some rain up in northern Minnesota, we can see. In North Dakota, we can see also on here. Then we get some snow in Wyoming too, we can see. And rain in Montana, in Idaho too. And we can see in Oregon too. Alright, hold on. Monday 11 p.m. we can see we got maybe storms in Ohio, Indiana, even Illinois too on here. We got some rain in Michigan too. Rain in Nebraska, snow in Nebraska too, maybe potentially. And we got maybe some snow in Wyoming, Colorado, Utah, rain in Nevada, snow in the California mountains. Tuesday at 2 a.m. we can see our storms are starting to go more down now. We can see it's not like as many storms now. It's mostly just rain in like Ohio at this point, in PA, in Indiana and Michigan. Maybe we got a storm over in Missouri. Maybe we can see. Then we got some rain in Nebraska. You can see snow in Nebraska too, maybe. Switching over. Snow in Wyoming, we can see also. Snow in the Colorado mountains, we can see also. Rain in Nevada, snow in the California mountains, we can see also. You can see on here, maybe snow in Minnesota, we can see also. And maybe some rain in Oklahoma, we can have also. At Tuesday at 2 a.m. And maybe some rain in Michigan too. Let's see. Tuesday 5 a.m. we can have rain in Missouri. We can see Arkansas, snow in Nebraska, rain in Nebraska, snow in Wyoming. We can see also, and snow in the Colorado mountains. We can see also on here, and rain in New York too, and maybe some rain in Arizona too. We can see. Tuesday 8 a.m. we can see we got scattered rain across Ohio, PA, and even New York and Indiana and Illinois. So we can see also in rain in Missouri and Kansas and Nebraska. And snow in you can see some snow in Wyoming and Colorado too, and some snow in the California mountains potentially too on here. Alright, Tuesday 11 a.m. we can see we got maybe some rain in Arkansas, rain in Kansas, rain in Nebraska, snow in Colorado, snow in Wyoming. We can see it also maybe, and maybe rain in New York, PA. We're gonna see out here in some of the New England states in Maine too. Tuesday 2 p.m. we can starting to have some storms starting to fire up in like Texas. You can see that on there, and then maybe even Arkansas. We can have some storms too. Some rain in Nebraska, Kansas, some rain in Ohio. You can see for Tuesday, PA, New York, some of the New England states we can see on here also, and some snow in Michigan Peninsula. Tuesday 5 p.m. we can have some storms in Arkansas, Texas, we can see also on here, and maybe even Tennessee too for Tuesday at 5 p.m. And rain in Nebraska, rain in Ohio, we can see New York, PA, some of the New England states, we can see snow in Montana, Wyoming, Utah, Nevada, Arizona, you can see Wyoming, you can see we got some Wyoming, we can see we got some snow too in Colorado. See, in Montana, and we got some snow in Arizona, maybe in the Arizona mountains, rain in New Mexico. See, awesome. Tuesday 8 p.m. we can see we got rain in Ohio, maybe some storms in Arkansas, rain in New York, rain in Arkansas, Oklahoma. We can see also maybe storms high in Oklahoma and Arkansas, most likely in Missouri. We get some rain in Colorado, Nebraska, Kansas, New Mexico, snow in the Arizona mountains too, in Montana and Wyoming mountains. Tuesday 8 p.m. we can see we got storms in Oklahoma, Arkansas, even Missouri, but we got rain in Ohio, New York, Maine. We can see also, and maybe some scattered rain in Florida. We can see rain in Nevada, snow in Utah. We can see snow in the Wyoming mountains. We can see also in the Montana mountains potentially too on here, guys. So yeah, then we got maybe some rain in California too, rain in Nevada. You can maybe see Wednesday 2 a.m. we can see we got storms in Arkansas, Texas. We can see rain in Ohio, New York. We can see also on here, and snow in Montana. We can see also Wyoming. We can see Utah in the Colorado mountains, and Arizona potentially too. Also, there's one more thing I wanted to talk about before I end this video. We're going to talk about something else. So for the future forecast, we can see this is for Wednesday. We can see looks like we have another cold drop coming in around Wednesday. We can see this could change a bit, but I'm just showing you guys. So we have 16 degrees below average in Minnesota, 14 degrees below average, 12 degrees below average in South Dakota. You can see North Dakota, 12 degrees below average, Colorado, 15 to 16 to 18 degrees below normal. You can see 8 degrees below normal in Illinois, 12 degrees below normal in Wisconsin. We can see also on here. Yeah, we can see this, guys. Look at this moving in. Oh, no, come on, go back. Wednesday, 2 p.m. we can see we got 19 degrees below average potentially in Colorado, 22 degrees below average potentially in Colorado. Kansas, 18 degrees below average. Minnesota, 17 degrees below average. Wisconsin, 14 degrees below average. Iowa, 11 degrees below average. Illinois, 10 degrees below average. Missouri, 11 degrees below average. Indiana, 12 degrees below average. Minnesota, 12 degrees below average. North Dakota, 13 degrees below average. And South Dakota, 13 degrees below average. In Montana, 14 degrees below average. You can see also for Wednesday, May 6th, potentially. Yeah, then we can see this keep moving in. Like Thursday at May 7th at 2 a.m., we can see we have around 25 degrees below average in Colorado. Even Kansas, we have 20 degrees below average too. 14 degrees below average in Minnesota. Indiana, 13 degrees below average. Michigan, 14 degrees below average too. Oklahoma, 11 degrees below average. Arkansas, 7 degrees below average. 8 degrees below average. You can see also on here. Also, Montana, 11 degrees below average. You can see also. Alright, Thursday, 8 a.m. we can see we got potentially 25, 26 degrees below average in Colorado. You can see also 22 degrees below average in Kansas. We can see Nebraska, 16 degrees below average. Iowa, 12 degrees below average. You can see Indiana, 14 degrees below average. Michigan, 15 degrees below average too. But this could change a bit before then. I just wanted to show you what it says. Thursday at 2 p.m. we can see we can have 24 degrees below average, 22 degrees below average, 19 degrees below average in Kansas, 18 degrees below average too. 12 degrees below average in Missouri. We can see also Indiana, 15 degrees below average, Michigan, 15 degrees below average, Ohio, 13 degrees below average, Illinois, 12 degrees below average too. In Wisconsin, 12 degrees below average. In Minnesota, 15 degrees below average. In North Dakota, 11 degrees below average. So I hope you enjoyed this video, everyone, today. Thank you for watching. So this could change potentially, but so just letting you guys know. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe, notification bell. You never miss a video like this, guys. Okay, guys. I see you guys in the next one. I hope you learned something new today.